Okay, bring what you need.
This game has the worst weapon skins I've ever seen. On my mama.
All right, let's move.
Alright.
Go. I was lucky fixing my loadout. What the hell? Oh, is it just me and you? What the hell?
Yep.
Hi.
Not actually sure.
I guess that's how, huh? I guess that's how, huh, dude?
Yeah, probably so. I would say so.
Get down on the ground.
Why was he making that noise when he died? What the fuck was that? This dead guy's going. He can't even hear it probably, it's too high pitched. Yeah. I seen that.
They're coming. To your side, to your left, to your left, to your left. I'm dead as fuck.
They ran past me and just kept going.
This guy's dead as fuck too.
Somebody's about to get raped by Tyrone.
He was dead.
What did you even say?
Got stuck
Two
on a
big
rock.
dudes. I don't know. I expected somebody and they were getting attacked by the bruiser.
Oh yeah, I saw that too. Except I saw it.
I was
Shot
like,
you in the back, but I also shot that guy.
yeah, I was like,
He was
someone's about to
behind
get
you,
raped
directly
by
behind
fucking
you.
Fighty Tyrone, bro. It's not about to be good. Oh no, I just spawned in. I don't know what's going on, but I just saw that at the last second. And I'm in. Alright, Commander, I'm here to do some magic. Let's do some shit.
What did he say?
Is refill up on this one?
No, sadly. We got a couple ways to go, sadly. Alright, Commander, I'm looking for him. I'm out, escaping my fucking vision. Oh no, please.
Oh, there's two down.
Out of two-piece. Commander's behind me. Commander.
Who, me? No, I was looking for ammo and I happened to lay down.
Ready
That
to
was
do
true, I
some
wouldn't
fucking
be leaving.
magic.
No, I found 2 boxes. I ain't worried about that. I found 2 boxes of ammo for my fucking shotgun. I can tell. That you way over there by yourself?
Get me back
Okay, friendly airstrike inbound. Whenever my commander picks away.
No. Over there. I'm a Charlie, guys.
Never mind, minigun support. Early, but you know. Oh fuck! No fucking way.
Hero's coming. Right there.
Just not having to defend this.
No, that's a burst.
Enemies coming in the building. Up the stairs, coming up the stairs. Up.
Oh, I thought you said they was coming up the stairs.
Oh!
I came out to shoot the enemy, man. My bad.
And
That was a good headshot, though. I was freaked out. Bow! He's fucking dead. Damn. I thought he said let's come up the stairs. I'm like, good. I'm gonna get him. I thought so. Oh well.
Throwing trash.
I wouldn't have ammo for it. I about did it again. You might be.
Cover me. I'm good. I'm okay. Okay, last mag.
I don't think he liked how beautiful of a headshot that was. Why's my guy jump when I get close?
Ooh, that was gonna take too long to go around.
Watched you die a few times this round. I try to help. You don't appreciate my help, so I'll quit helping. I'll start hindering instead. I shot through him to hit you. I don't think you did. There was 3 more people behind you. How's your health going down to 200 after I shot you?
Get off me! Get off me!
Jeez.
I gotta reload, dude. Thank you, twin. Let's get on this point before they keep tickling us inappropriately. Uh-oh!
Red Delta!
No! Please!
Changing mags!
It's spooky out here, man.
Delta secured! Let's kick some ass! Good shit! Okay, time to move! I'm alright. Yeah, good to go! Yeah, I'm alright!
Oh, ammo box back here.
Alright, I'm good. Okay, let's do it!
No, they pop up randomly downstairs.
Alright, I'm good. Okay, let's do it!
This is why you die. You're always rushing into unknown circumstances. Okay, I got back inside at least.
Securing Echo!
You guys live in plants at least, man. You're burning them out of there.
Okay, we're through our Echo!
Yeah.
I see him on my screen. I seen his gun pick up in my left corner. I was like, oh, there's a guy there. Fucking F2000. Alright. I like how you pick the scope to take up the most fucking possible amount of screen space. So somebody else is unironically using that weapon. Horrible. But still, the statement stands that you choose the weapons with the most obstructive, big ass fucking sights that block up the most of your views you could possibly have. If you have a block of steel with a drill hole through it, you'd use that for some fucking reason. Doesn't mean that it's good because it's made for the gun. Or that it's decent. I don't know. Ooh. Your savior comes. I didn't see you. I watched you cower in fear. I did. I was watching your perspective the entire time. I don't even know who that was that couldn't help you. Like how he screamed the entire time they see you. He's like, "Hey," it's like what?
Do you guys know how long this game would last?
There are 4 days.
4 more days? Fuck, dude. I like this.
Yeah, I do too. They got a headshot only mode like this too, which is really good.
I heard there was an old zombies mode. Was that any good?
I've never heard of that one before.
No,
Unless it's that one that we're talking
used to
about.
be zombies in here.
Oh, I had no idea. I don't think that's true. Probably is.
On your side. Oh, did they slime him? Oh no, he's good. Jump out the window if you need to. Oh, that's a heavy. Oh, yikers. Oh, there's 2 heavies inside.
Loading shit.
Yikes. Slime his ass! Slime his ass! Slime his ass! Please get him off of me!
There's ammo upstairs, thank
Yikes.
goodness. There's another one inside! Alright then. Well, yeah.
Green to green, dude. Let's go. Okay.
Want my shotgun back, damn it.
Alright, very good. Enemy is sending a counterattack. Wait for them.
Yeah, good to go. I'm good.
I wish they would make the last point a little harder too.
Some maps are fucking impossible.
Shoot them! Shoot them!
Who is that? Somebody's having a fucking fit. Shoot them! It's like that fucking guy off of Jurassic Park. Shoot her!
Ah,
Oh, what the hell? Somebody's outside. I shot a guy in the side of the head. Hurt myself. Grenade!
Get away, get away.
Shit.
Good.
Yeah, good to go.
Let the same amount of kills.
And the other thing is, we're vampires, dude. Why do I have to pay for night vision? That pisses me off.
That's true. No, what vampires should be able to see at night. They are creatures of darkness.